The CycleBoard deck is equipped with a hinge along the right side so you can quickly swap your battery in and out. Take your 8mm deep socket and remove the 4 lock nuts on the left underside of the deck. And now your deck will hinge open so you can access the battery for easy swap. Next, to remove the battery, take your 8mm deep socket. It's easiest to reach if you add an extension, and remove the 2 lock nuts at the front of the battery case. Unplug your battery connector. Don't grab the wires, always grab the connector itself. Disconnect your battery connector. Next, lift up on the handle in the front of the battery case. Slide the battery forward and out. Then you can take your new battery, take this tab, slide it backwards, line up your wiring. There's a slot that the tab will slide into. Drop the front of the battery case down. Then take your washers and nuts and tighten the front of the battery case back down. And your last step is to reconnect the new battery. When you reconnect the battery, oftentimes there will be a little bit of a spark, which is totally normal. Like so. The final step is to fully charge your battery. You'll want to insert the plug into a standard wall outlet. Rotate the charge port cover to the left and down. Lift the waterproof rubber insert and insert the other end of your battery charger. You'll see it turn from green to red, indicating that the battery's charging. Once it turns green, your battery's fully charged and you're ready for your first ride.